Welcome to BikeLegend Pro, your trusted source for the latest updates on cars, SUVs, and bikes. Today, we are diving into an iconic name that has made a strong comeback, the 2025 Tata Sumo 7-seater SUV. Known for its rugged durability and family-friendly design, the new Sumo combines tradition with modern technology, making it a promising contender in the SUV market. Bold and modern design. The 2025 Tata Sumo retains its tough and muscular stance while adopting a more refined and stylish look. The SUV features a strong front fascia with a wide grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sharp DRLs that bring a modern touch to its classic character. Higher ground clearance and a boxy yet aerodynamic silhouette give it both road presence and practicality. The new design keeps the essence of the original Sumo while aligning with the aesthetics of today's SUVs. Spacious 7-seater comfort. One of the biggest selling points of the Tata Sumo has always been its space. The 2025 model continues this legacy with a spacious 7-seater cabin that is practical for both families and commercial use. Premium upholstery, improved cushioning, and ample legroom in all three rows ensure comfort during long journeys. The flat roofline adds to headroom, while smart storage spaces and foldable rear seats increase versatility. Technology and features. Tata has equipped the new Sumo with modern technology to match today's standards. The SUV comes with a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital instrument cluster, multiple USB ports, and automatic climate control. Convenience features like push-button start, keyless entry, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera make it user-friendly. Safety is also prioritized with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. Performance and power. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to feature a BS6 Phase 2 compliant diesel engine paired with both manual and automatic transmission options. Known for its reliable performance, the Sumo focuses on durability, torque delivery, and fuel efficiency. Its ladder frame chassis ensures strength, while an updated suspension system promises improved ride comfort. Whether in city traffic or on rough terrains, the Sumo is built to handle diverse road conditions. Pricing and market position. The 2025 Tata Sumo is likely to be priced competitively, targeting buyers who want a reliable, spacious, and affordable SUV. Positioned below Tata Safari but above entry-level MPVs, it aims to attract large families, rural buyers, and fleet operators alike.